guys, it's Francesca. If you're new here, thank you for joining me, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today is going to be a pretty quick and easy tutorial. I am going to crimp my hair, which I know sounds really outdated. People don't really do that anymore, but I have a webinar today, and as you can see, my hair is straight. But my signature look is an afro, so usually a lot more volume than this. And since it's a webinar on how to be a blogger and to build your brand, I just want to make sure that I'm on brand. So I'm going to go ahead and use this Wave Artist. You can see it's pretty crusty because I've had it, I don't know, maybe 7 or 8 years now. It's tried and true. It's something that I swear by, and it's quick and easy, so I thought I'd just do a little tutorial and show you guys how I do it and how easy it is. So without further ado, let's go. So first things first, the setting that I'm going to use is the highest heat on the crimper because I want it to be done as quickly as possible. The lower the heat, the longer you have to leave it on each section, and I just don't have that much time or patience. So since it's on the highest heat, I am going to use this Flat Iron Perfector spray by Garnier. It's supposed to be for straightening, but honestly it's got 450-degree heat protection, and that's the most important thing. And then I'm also going to run some of this through my hair. It's olive oil by ORS, and I just really want to make sure that my hair is protected from heat since it's already been straightened. So here we go. This is how much I'm putting. I'm sure it's dripping down my hand right now, but it's fine. Okay, so the most important thing is protecting my ends. Even though I trim them regularly, the thing is I don't want them to spread up any higher. Okay, so I've got the heat protector by ORS in. I'm also just gonna go ahead and like spray the Garnier lightly. So I've got my heat protector in. I don't do it section by section because I don't really want my hair to be weighed down. It's already pretty oily because my hair has been pressed for about 2.5 weeks now, and it's actually honestly time for a wash, but I'm just not ready to go there, so hence the crimping. Okay, so that's good. So I just basically am gonna split it down the middle. Keep this side out of the way, and then I have this side out. My hair is extremely straight right now, so the sections look a lot thinner than they usually do. Here we go. So I basically hold it for about 5 seconds in place. And then I move to the next part of the hair. So this is my first strand, or my first section. I'm gonna go under. Like I said, this thing is really old. I've had it for about 8 years, I think. So it's also not as like crunchy as it used to be. So sometimes I have to go back over a section. So now that this section is done, I'm actually going to crimp it. I'm actually going to just stick it up here, and I'm gonna carry on. Again, my hair is like extremely straight right now, so the sections are pretty flat, which makes for faster crimping time, but unfortunately it's not going to be as full as it would have been if my hair wasn't as straight right now. So I'm gonna take a smaller section because it's the front. So I do want to make sure this front section is pretty defined. I'm gonna hold it for a few seconds. And the thing is too, as you continue to go through your hair and do this, it does get hotter, and it does end up holding the pattern a lot quicker than when you first start. Here we go. There it is. So that's it. This style took me a total of, let me see, it took me 25 minutes to get my hair like this. So you can't beat it if you have an event or you just want to spice things up. I was able to give myself a little quick look in 25 minutes. So let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments. I will also link the crimping iron below, and let me know if there are any other videos or tutorials that you want to see. I'm actually going to be washing my hair this weekend and going back to its natural state. So there's a ton more that I can do, but until then, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you hit subscribe, and I will see you at the next one. Bye.